one of our signature Lake Erie Toolworks handles. They're all wood, except for the rubber O-rings. They're internally threaded to match this thread on the handle itself.
Here's a quote from Christopher Schwartz regarding the Lake Erie Toolworks end cap threaded vise handle that comes from the April 2013 issue of Popular Woodworking magazine. I personally prefer the Lake Erie screw. Its fit and finish are tops, but that's not the sole reason I love it. The two ends of the Tommy bar are threaded onto the bar. That sounds minor, but if you have built and used as many workbenches as me, then you know that this is a weak point of almost every vise design. The ends come off and the Tommy bar falls to the floor. Lake Erie is the only company that has conquered this frustration.